Hi dear, thanks for clicking on this part. As you may already know, I have created another session before this one. This is the continuation of that session. Alright, let's get started. Very clean, immaculate, spotless, or you can replace it with tidy as well. Very expensive, costly, very cheap, stingy, very mean, cruel, very crowded, bustling. Notice, in the word bustling, the letter T has become silent. That is why it's pronounced as bustling, not bustling at all. Well, let's move forward. Very strong, forceful, very skinny, skeletal. skeletal শব্দের বাংলা হচ্ছে কঙ্কালসার, অর্থাৎ শরীরে হাড়গোল ছাড়া আর কিছু নাই অবস্থা আর কি। Well, let's move ahead. Very loose, slack, very smooth, slick. One more time. Very loose, slack, very smooth, slick. Very easy, effortless, very poor, destitute, very rich, wealthy. Very quiet, tranquil, very calm, serene. Very noisy, deafening. Very weak, frail. Then what about very strong? Forceful. Remember, I already mentioned it in my last video. Well, let's see what next. Very broad, spacious, or another one here which you can use is roomy. Very serious, grey. Very short, brief, very long, extensive. Alright guys, that brings me to the end. If this session helps you to some extent, then my cordial request you to subscribe to my channel. All the very best. Bye.